Hello everyone, my name is Dakin Thompson. I'm with the Chuckey-Doak FFA chapter. Today I'll be showing you how to transplant this cactus. This cactus is called the Cereus repandus, also known as the Peruvian Apple Cactus. Transplanting this cactus is for its own health and growth. The materials needed in this video are some gloves, a pot with drain holes, pot and soil, some gravel, and of course the cactus. Step 1 is to get a pair of gloves on one hand. You want to firmly grip the cactus a little further up from the pot, firmly but not too firm, otherwise you'll break the cactus. And take your razor knife out here and slice it down the middle. Then we're going to remove it from its nursery pot. A good tip is to cut a hole in an old HVAC filler and put that filler in your pot. It makes an excellent drain pad. The next step is to add gravel to the pot we just lined. Observe the bottom of your cactus. If you see what's called root ball, you're going to need to loosen all that up so the cactus can grow better. We're going to be using cactus pot and soil to fill in the air spaces around the vessel. Make sure to keep your soil level above the original planting spot, otherwise it will cause rot. Later on we will be adding a gravel layer as an aesthetic dressing. You'll have to wait 3 to 5 days before watering this cactus. This cactus is a cutting from this cactus right here. This skill is useful for home gardening, landscaping, and other agricultural pursuits. I invite you to try this on your own. If you'd like any cuttings, please comment on this video or contact me on Facebook at the Blue Jacket Way. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And as always, support Chuckey-Doak High School FFA.